x-intercept of the line is equal to minus c by a, and the y-intercept, what is the y-intercept from this? Y-intercept is equal to minus c by b. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 means then they are perpendicular to each other. Hence the condition for the two lines to be perpendicular to each other is the product of slopes is equal to minus 1. Modulus of minus 4 is nothing but plus 4. So divide by 2, 2 2's I gets cancelled, this is equal to 2. So therefore the area is equal to 2 square units. That's it. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, Temple of Excellence. Today in this session I am going to discuss regarding very important concepts on straight line, that is regarding reduction of an equation of a line to standard form, reducing the equation of a line to standard form, and the general equation of a straight line, and how to find the slope of a general equation of a straight line. Right now, and the problems based on those concepts. Now let us move on to the first, reduction to slope and intercept form of a straight line. You know the equation of a straight line in the general form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the equation of a straight line. How to find the slope? The slope of this line is given by the slope of the line. Slope is m is equal to minus a by b. Right, slope of the line is minus a by b is the slope of the given line. Right, now what is this actually? This is nothing but, m is nothing but negative into coefficient of, what is a? A is nothing but x, coefficient of x divided by b is nothing but the coefficient of y. So negative coefficient of x by coefficient of y will give the value of m. So slope of m is minus a by b, that is negative coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Similarly, y-intercept can be written as y-intercept is equal to negative times the constant term divided by coefficient of y, it is coefficient of y, that is nothing but minus c by b. Minus a by b will give the slope and minus c by b will give the y-intercept of the given straight line. So that is, to reduce this equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 to the slope-intercept form, what is the equation we have? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now just keep this by here itself and transfer plus c becomes minus c and plus ax becomes minus ax. Divide by b, then what is this equal to? Y is equal to minus c by b minus a by b into x. So this can be written as y is equal to minus a by bx, and this can be written as plus minus of c by. So this is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. So therefore the slope m is equal to minus a by b. M is equal to minus a by b, that is nothing but minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. And the y-intercept c is equal to minus c by b, minus c divided by b, that is nothing but constant term divided by coefficient of y. So this is how we are going to reduce the given equation to slope-intercept form. Now let us know regarding the reduction of the line into the intercept form, reduction to intercept form. So we know what is the equation of the line? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the standard equation of the line. Then ax plus by is equal to, transfer plus c to the right hand side, it becomes minus c. Now divide by minus c on both sides. Right, see here, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, transfer plus c to the right hand side, it becomes ax plus by minus c. Then divide throughout by minus c, then what you will get? Ax divided by minus c plus by divided by minus c is equal to minus c by c. So this can be written as, so minus of a by c into x plus minus of b by c into y is equal to minus c by, we are dividing by minus c by minus c is equal to plus 1. Now if you compare this, comparing with the standard equation, comparing with, what is the standard equation of the line in the intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So x by a. So a, this is the x-intercept and this is the y-intercept. So therefore, what is the x-intercept here? Now this equation will becomes, this equation can be written as x divided by, this is nothing but, this goes to the numerator, minus c divided by a, minus c by a, okay, plus y divided by, this can also be written as minus c by b is equal to 1. So if we compare with the standard equation, therefore the x-intercept of the line is equal to minus c by a, and the y-intercept, what is the y-intercept from this? Y-intercept is equal to minus c by b. So x-intercept of the line is minus c by a and the y-intercept is minus c by b. That is called the intercept form of the given equation. And what is the slope? As we know, the slope m is equal to, m is the slope, that's equal to minus a by b. So here minus c by a is the constant, negative times constant term divided by coefficient of x, minus constant term divided by the coefficient of y, and slope is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y, will gives the x-intercept, y-intercept and the slope of the line in the standard form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, right. Now in general, for the line, equation of the line, equation of the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, slope m is equal to minus a by b, that is negative coefficient of x by coefficient of y, and x-intercept is minus c by a, that is negative constant term divided by coefficient of x, and y-intercept is minus c by b, that is minus constant term divided by coefficient of y. So these are very important formulas to solve the problems. Now move on to the problems based on these concepts. Now find the slope, x-intercept and y-intercept of the line. Find the slope, then x-intercept and y-intercept of the given line. Now what is given? This ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, 3x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Comparing with, let us compare this with the standard equation, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is a? A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 1. 1 by 1, right? Slope m is equal to minus a by b. Minus a is 3 divided by b is minus 2. This is equal to 3 by 2. Next, x-intercept. What is the formula for x-intercept? Minus c by a. Minus what is c? 1 divided by a is 3. X-intercept is minus 1 by 3. Similarly, y-intercept. What is the formula for y-intercept? Minus c by b. Minus, what is c? C is equal to 1 divided by, what is b? B is equal to minus 2. So this is equal to 1 by 2. So for the given problem, slope is 3 by 2, x-intercept is minus 1 by 3, y-intercept is 1 by 2. Similarly, move on to this problem. Now compare this, comparing with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is a? A is missing, a is not there, so coefficient of x is 0. And what is b? B is equal to 1. What is c? C is equal to 7. Slope m is equal to minus a by b. Minus of a is 0 by b is 1, that's equal to 0. Slope is 0. X-intercept is minus c by a. X-intercept. What is x-intercept? Minus c by a. What is c? C is equal to minus 7 divided by a is 0. 7 by 0 is nothing but infinity, which is not defined. Slope of the, so x-intercept is not defined. Y-intercept. What is y-intercept? Y-intercept is equal to minus c by b. Minus, what is c? 7 divided by b is 1, that's equal to minus. So x-intercept is not defined, y-intercept is minus 7. Okay. So what is the conclusion here? So slope is 0, x-intercept is infinity, means does not exist, not exist. Slope does not exist. X-intercept does not exist. Y-intercept is equal to minus 7. Now move on to the next problem. Find k if the line k plus 1 into x plus 2k plus 1 into y plus 3 is equal and 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 are a perpendicular. Now suppose if m1 and m2 are the slopes of the two lines, m1 and m2 are the slopes of the two lines, if m1 is equal to m2, if m1 is equal to m2, then the lines are parallel. The condition for the lines to be parallel to each other is m1 is equal to m2. If the product of slopes m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, then they are perpendicular. m1 and m2, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 means then they are perpendicular to each other. Hence the condition for the two lines to be perpendicular to each other is the product of slopes is equal to minus 1. Now here what is the given condition? Now if find k if two lines are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other means the product of slope is equal to minus 1. Now find out the slope of the first line. Slope of first line. Slope of first line m1 is equal to, what is the formula for slope? Minus a by b. That is m1 is equal to minus ax plus by plus c minus a. A is equal to k plus 1 divided by b is nothing but 2k plus 3. Similarly, slope of the second line. Slope of second line. m2 is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 5, that's equal to 2 by 5. So these are the values of m1 and m2. Now what is given? Since they are perpendicular, the lines are perpendicular. So therefore m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. That is, what is m1? That is minus of k plus 1 divided by 2k plus 3 into 2 by 5 is equal to minus 1. Cross multiplied. So minus k plus 1 into 2 is equal to minus of 5 into 2k plus 3 multiplied. Minus 2k minus 2 is equal to minus 10k. Minus into plus, it is minus 5 3 is a 15. Minus 2k plus 10k is equal to minus 15 plus 2. So 10 minus 2 is 8k. 8k is equal to minus 15 plus 2 is minus 13. So therefore k is equal to minus 13 by 8. So the value of k is equal to minus 13 divided by 8. For k is equal to minus 13 by 8, the two lines are perpendicular to each other. That's it. Very important problem. Now move on to the next problem. Show that the lines are parallel to each other. As I told now itself, if two lines are parallel, what is the condition for the two lines to be parallel? If m1 is equal to m2. Slope of the line m1 and slope of the line m2 are equal, then the two lines are said to be parallel to each other. Now what is the first line given? Let m1 is equal to slope of first line. Slope of first line, that is 2x minus 3y plus 7. So minus a by b, minus a divided by minus 3, that's equal to 2 by 3. Now let us take m2. m2 is equal to slope of the second line. Slope of 12y is equal to 8x minus 5, that is 8x minus 12y minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus a by b, minus 8 divided by minus 12, that's equal to, now divide this. What is this equal to? Minus minus gets cancelled, 8 by 12. So 4 2s are 4 3s are. m2 is, so since what is say, since m1 is equal to m2. What is m1? 2 by 3. m2 is also equal to 2 by 3. So if m1 is equal to m2 means if the slopes of two lines are equal. If the slope of first line is equal to slope of second line, then the two lines are said to be parallel to each other. Therefore the two lines are parallel. The two lines are parallel. So from the first problem, from the previous problem, if two lines are perpendicular, then the slopes m1, m2 is equal to minus 1. The product of slope is equal to minus 1. If the two lines are parallel, then the slopes m1 is equal to m2. These are the two important conditions for parallel and perpendicularity of the lines. Now move on to the next problem. Show that the lines are perpendicular. As I told, what is the condition for perpendicularity? Product of slopes is equal to -1. m1 into m2 is equal to -1. Verify whether it will satisfy this condition or not. Now for the first line, slope of first line, what is that? 4x minus 7y is equal to 2 is m1, that is 4x minus 7y minus 2 is equal to 0. m1 is equal to minus a by b minus 4 by minus 7, that's equal to 4 by 7. Similarly, slope of the second line, 7x plus 4y is equal to 5, that is 7x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0 is m2 is equal to minus a by b minus 7 by 4. Now verify whether m1 m2 is equal to -1 or not. Now m1 into m2, what is m1? m1 is equal to 4 by 7 into m2 is equal to minus 7 by 4. What happens? 4, 4, 7, 7 gets cancelled. This is equal to -1. Since m1, m2 is equal to -1, the product of slopes is equal to -1. Therefore, the two lines, the lines are perpendicular to each other. The two lines are perpendicular to each other. The given lines are perpendicular because the product of slope is equal to -1. Right. Now, next problem. If the line x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0 cuts the x and y axis at P and Q respectively, find the area of a triangle OPQ. Now, the area of a triangle OPQ is equal to, you know what is the formula for area of a triangle? Half into base into height. Whereas in this case, the area of a triangle OPQ is equal to half into mod of C square divided by AB. Now, just find out the value of A, B and C from the given equation. Right. Now, straight away just go to the problem. What is the given equation? Equation of line is, what is given? X minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is A? A is 1, B is equal to -1, C is equal to +2. What is the area of the triangle OPQ is equal to half into modulus of C square. C square is nothing but 2 square divided by A. A is 1 into B is equal to -1. So this is 1 by 2 into 2 square is 4 divided by, so this is -1 under mod, that's equal to half of modulus of -4. Modulus of -4 is nothing but +4. So divide by 2, 2 2's I gets cancelled, this is equal to 2. So therefore the area is equal to 2 square units. That's it. So the area of a triangle is 2 square units. So what is the formula? Half into C square divided by AB under mod. That's it. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. Find the equation of a line which has x-intercept 3 by 2 units and is parallel to the given line 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now what is given? Given that the line has x-intercept. So x-intercept is nothing but A is equal to 3 by 2. So therefore the point Px comma y is equal to 3 by 2 comma 0 and parallel to means parallel to the given line. Therefore slope of this line, find out the slope of 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, that is m is equal to minus a by b minus 3 by minus 1, that's equal to plus 3. So m is equal to 3. So that means the equation of a line which has intercept as 3 by 2 and parallel to the given line is, the equation of the line is, the required equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is x1 comma y1? x1 y1 is nothing but 3 by 2 comma 0 and what is the slope? M is equal to 3. Substitute here. What you will get? Y minus, that is y minus y1 is 0, m is 3 into x minus x1 is 3 by 2. So this can be written as y is equal to 3 times, take LCM, 2 is LCM, 2x minus 3 divided by 2. Now cross multiply it. 2y is equal to 6x minus 9. Therefore, 6x minus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0 is the equation of the line. That's it. Okay. So, the required equation of the line is 6x minus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. Very simple problem. Or if you want, you can write 6x minus 2y is equal to 9 itself. Or you can also write 6x minus 2y is equal to 9. That's it. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. Reduce the following equation to slope-intercept form. What is given? Given that 4x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. Now just keep this 3y here itself and transfer. Plus 4x becomes minus 4x and minus 9 becomes plus 9. Now divide by 3. If you divide by 3, y is equal to minus 4 by 3x plus 9 by 3. Now this is nothing but y is equal to mx plus c is the slope intercept form comparing with y is equal to mx plus c. So this is of the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is equal to, you can write where m is equal to slope minus 4 by 3 and the intercept c is equal to 9 by 3. 9 by 3 is nothing but 3. So this can also be written as minus 4 by 3x plus 3. That's it. 9 by 3 is 3. So m is equal to minus 4 by 3 and c is equal to 3, which is the required answer. That's it. Followed. Therefore, the required answer is, the slope intercept form of the line is y is equal to minus 4 by 3 into x plus 3. This is the required equation in slope intercept form. Slope is minus 4 by 3 and intercept is 3. That's it. So this is how we are going to solve these type of problems. Right. Very important concept. We may expect 1 or 2 questions from this for 2 or 3 marks and even in 1 mark also. Now that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with the different types of concepts in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.